Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today, we're looking at Bitcoin. So I'm using this technical indicators on this liquid index for Bitcoin. You can see we've hit a high of Bitcoin back a little while ago of 64,665. That's pretty good. Alright, but now we're down to 33,468. It's about half. So that's what we call bad. Alright, it's a bit of a pullback. So we've seen this phenomena before. Everybody who's in the Bitcoin community is aware of it. It's probably a really good time for a buying opportunity. You can see by the technical indicators, it's pretty neutral right now. Okay, it's there's some downward pressure, and then there's some upward pressure, and it's kind of like lollygagging around here in the middle. Doesn't really know what it wants to do. There's been a lot of China news, a lot of China FUD out there. China has pretty much banned all cryptocurrency from the country in that communist nation, communist regime. I know we do a lot of business with China, but people keep losing sight of the fact that it is a government-controlled economy. They are pretty much communist. They do definitely are capitalistic in some areas, right? They allow companies to grow. They allow people to make money and make profits, but not too much. Okay, one of the famous examples that I've been listening to recently is the Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. He said he started a gold mine in China, and the government took his gold mine, just took it over, said, "Okay, thank you very much, goodbye." And I was like, "Whoa, can they do that? That's crazy." So something like that could happen to pretty much any company that's in China. Might not be advantageous for them to do that, but like for example, Tesla has a massive risk in China. But that's a little off topic. Let me get back to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's pretty much banned in China. They banned the mining of Bitcoin. They banned the use of the currency. I think you can still own Bitcoin, but you just can't do anything with it. So what's the point? Not really sure what's going on there, but it's not good. They want to make their own China coin and digital version of that, and they want to dominate that space. Other countries can follow along, but countries like El Salvador, some of the other third world nations, some countries in Africa might be going to an altcoin base. It's really hard to say what's going on in the world. It's hard to pick a winner right now overall, but Bitcoin is definitely in the running. It's definitely still a store of value, and it's probably a good time to get in. I still think this thing is going to at least 100,000 by the end of the year. All right, with all these countries jumping on board, like El Salvador and whatnot, and it's such a huge support for it across the world, pretty much. Yeah. So, and once the ETFs get approved, Bitcoin is going to definitely be a part of that. I know a bunch of people are applied for ETFs, and the SEC has delayed the decision on that yet again. I'm not sure until when exactly, but it should be coming up here pretty soon in July, August, September timeframe. And once that thing kicks off, I know Canada's got one. Once the American ETFs start kicking off with Fidelity, ARK Invest, and all the big names, this thing's going to the moon. All right, because big money's going to be popping in. All these big-time investors are maybe not 100% savvy in the tech world, but ETFs change all that. Even for me, it changes it. Okay, so yes, while I'm putting some cash into Bitcoin and stuff like that, a lot of my assets are held up in like my 401k, my IRAs. And I can't really buy Bitcoin with that stuff, right? So it's like, okay, once you guys get an ETF going, I can start doing that, right? Because that's some of my biggest accounts is in my IRA account. So that's in the TradeStation. Go check that out. Go check out my videos and see how to trade options and how I invest for the long term in that account. It's pretty cool. Be sure you guys subscribe and check that out. So other than that, I think Bitcoin is going to the moon. It just might take a while. A lot of FUD out there. China. Once we get more wide scale adoption, there's no stopping this thing. We're all going to be going crypto. I can see us going to a cashless society, and credit cards will be part of it. Digital dollar, digital whatever, and Bitcoin's in that mix for sure. All right, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.